DerpyCon 2018, The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. DerpyCon was a multi-genre convention held from November 9th through 11th, 2018 at the Hyatt Regency Morristown in Morristown, New Jersey. I have a conflict of interest. I was part of a group that had guest status. My views are my own and do not represent the group's. Last year, DerpyCon was on a crowded convention weekend. Let's see how they did this year. But there was a big announcement at closing ceremonies. After 2019, DerpyCon will not be located in Morristown, New Jersey anymore. For 2020, they will be moving to New Brunswick, New Jersey. For the good, there was a lot of new detailed signage around the con. They brought a new staff member who handled that. This year, a lot of stuff was more clearly marked than in previous years, particularly maps and where you could take photography. There was a new main events this year in the lobby of the hotel. Previously, main events had been in the back corner of the hotel. This year, it was very visible and accessible. There was a new registration location this year. It was in the lobby of the hotel also. This opened up the old space for photo shoot opportunities. Even DerpyCon being a smaller con, they bought Guidebook. A great decision. Guidebook is super easy to use for scheduling, and they had it. My compliments to the tech staff this year. We ended up having a problem in one of the rooms. The projector wasn't located where it should be. That was quickly fixed. But then we had an issue with the projector that ended up being a bad HDMI cable. They were able to fix it fast and efficiently, and I was very happy dealing with them. DerpyCon's rave had a massive change this year. People were actually attending it. Usually DerpyCon was not a big rave con, but this year the room was surprisingly crowded when I went in, and that's a big change from other years. There was nothing downright bad, but there were some other things we need to talk about. For the ugly, what should have been better? Unfortunately, Friday attendance was quite down. I'm not sure what happened. The convention at times did feel empty on Fridays. It picked up a little bit better on Saturday, but Friday was not a great day for panels, not a great day for attendance. Overall, attendance was off this year. I don't know what exactly happened here. It seemed the crowd was skewing a little younger. I don't know if it was the guests, but overall attendance was down this year, and it's hard to say exactly why. The hotel DerpyCon is located in right now needs an overhaul. You can kind of see the hotel rooms are starting to show their age, so is the convention space. A lot of this will be solved by DerpyCon's move in 2020, but it is a problem with the hotel. The restaurant in the lobby of the hotel was not prepared for the DerpyCon attendees. They did not have enough people on in the kitchen or the service area, which is odd because the con had been here for several years. There was even a pizza station now located in the lobby of said restaurant. That seemed to be doing well, but if you went for the sit-down restaurant portion, they were just not prepared. The biggest ugly surprise we got this year was parking was no longer complimentary. They were now charging. We ended up paying $10 a day at the discounted rate. It was an unexpected change. The website still said parking was complimentary. I do not know what changed this year. Overall, something was off this year about DerpyCon, and I'm not exactly sure what it was. As I said earlier, it seemed to be a much younger crowd at the con this year. The guests, they seem to have a good guest list. I'm not sure what caused an attendance downturn. Now, we know the dates for next year are going to be October 25th through 27th, 2019. I'm hoping the attendance will pick up a little bit being around Halloween next year. I'm giving the convention a B-. DerpyCon was still a good convention. I had a good time. It's just this year something was missing. Thanks for watching.